Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Enlargement Worksheet. This video presents a worksheet on the topic of enlargement. If you're not sure what to do with these exercises, we have had a lesson on this very topic. If you go to the next slide, you'll be directed to click on a link, and when you do that, the lesson will start and it will explain what to do for each of these examples. So let's see what we're required to do here. Draw an enlargement of each of the following shapes. Use the point of enlargement given. Use an enlargement factor of your own choice. Now let's explain what that means. Here is the center of enlargement, or the point of enlargement. That is, that's where the rays begin. This is the original image, so you need that for any type of enlargement. You need the original image, and you also need an enlargement factor. So you might decide that the image that's enlarged could be twice as big as the original, or 3 times, or any other factor of your choosing. So very quickly, I'll just do a very brief explanation here. The ray starts from here and basically it extends up like that, and it keeps going as far as you want depending on your enlargement factor. Okay, so it's a straight line and it could go for as long as you want. Okay, and then you also do the same here. So you go to each of the corners of the object, okay, and depending on where you want to finish, let's say you want to finish here, then you go down like that, so that line there becomes this one, and then you put a ray through that corner there, and you put a ray through that corner there, and you just complete the image. That's just a rough idea of what happens. Okay, so that's exactly what you do. You have to start at the point of enlargement or the center of enlargement. Here is your original image, and you just make up your own enlargement factor. And it's exactly the same here. You do the same. So all you do, you can use a ruler. So on a sheet of paper, this can be drawn. These things can be drawn approximately as they are there. Use a ruler and just go through the corners like that. And that helps you to write the image. And it's exactly the same here. Notice the center of enlargement or the point of enlargement can be anywhere. Doesn't matter where it is. You still do the rays or the dotted lines through the corner of each shape, and then you do the image. The same here, you come down this way, from here you go that way, and from here you go that way. And the further you go, the larger this image is enlarged more and more. So the further away you go, you get a much larger image. So the original object is enlarged much more. So this video has introduced a very simple worksheet on the idea of enlargement, where you have a center of enlargement or of a point of enlargement. You have an original image, and then you use your own enlargement factor to draw the image. And don't forget, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of the examples.